How can earn from Instagram? Hello, creative minds. I'm here today to share a fantastic idea to earn money through Instagram. You can make money through Instagram by being a brand influencer. Now, you might be wondering, what's that? Well, it's simple. As an influencer, you represent a brand by posting about their products or services on your Instagram account. So here's the process. 1. Choose brands that align with your interests and audience. 2. Create engaging content that showcases the brand's products or services in an authentic and compelling way. 3. Connect with brands directly or through a platform like Influence.com or a win to negotiate payment for your promotional posts. Remember, the key to success is consistency, creativity, and authenticity in your content. So start building your brand today and become an influencer. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great tips on monetizing Instagram and other social media platforms. Until next time, stay creative and keep inspiring.